Hello everyone, welcome back to Shikara IAS Academy. So our Indian geography series is continuing. We have completed till uh, the agriculture part, then we started with minerals and energy resources. In that too, I have completed half of that part, which is minerals part. Then we are going to start with energy part today. So before going into that, I would like to give everyone a very good news that Shikara IAS Academy is launching batches especially for UPSC and UPSC and TGPSC Group 1 combined preparation. So the foundation batch where you will get complete live as well as recorded classes. You can attend live classes or you will have the recorded classes whenever you want. You can listen to those classes. Then you will have subject wise sectional tests and full length subject tests and full length tests as in the UPSC examinations. So subject wise and full length test series. Then you will have complete coverage of current affairs, materials, study materials, handouts and resources, everything which are required for the examination. You will be getting those things. Then CSAT preparation will be done in a comprehensive manner. You will also get proper answer writing practice, and the faculty members themselves will correct your answer sheets and give you the feedback. So everything is covered at one place. So this is one stop solution for your UPSC preparation for 2027. So it is better to start early because it requires at least 1.5 years to completely prepare for UPSC examination, right? So this batch is starting from 24th of November, which is Monday. So you will also have discount for the people who are registering earlier. Then this is a batch where we have UPSC plus Group 1 integrated, where you will study for UPSC as well as the Group 1 examinations in the same manner. Then we have also launched our mentorship batch, where Deepika ma'am herself is the head of this batch. Then the faculty of Shikara Academy will be your mentors. You will have weekly one-on-one sessions with the faculty members and monthly sessions with Deepika ma'am and strategy sessions by the faculty members as well as ma'am. Then you will also get proper complete test series. You will get complete coverage of current affairs, and anytime you need help, the faculty members will be available for you. So these are our batches which are starting. So hurry up and register and call the office or register in the form which is given below, so that you can get benefits from these courses. Now moving on to our energy resources. Energy resources are classified into conventional and non-conventional. Conventional resources are those which we are using traditionally. Traditionally, we have been using these resources, or for a long time, over a long time, these are the sources which we depend upon. But these conventional resources are non-renewable. Means what? Once we use them, we cannot renew them. So we cannot renew them. For example, we have coal, petroleum, natural gas. So there are limited quantities of these fossil fuels in the earth. If we utilize them, if we completely use them, we cannot generate them in a near time. So it takes millions of years to generate these natural resources. It takes millions of years, right? Now, what are non-conventional? Means these we are not using them traditionally. These are new technologies which have been developed over time. These are renewable, eco-friendly, and these these resources have been adopted recently. These technologies, these non-conventional energy resources have been adopted recently. We have solar energy, wind energy, hydroelectric power, biomass energy, tidal energy, etc. So in case of solar energy, we keep photovoltaic cells in the solar panels, which will absorb the insolation, and convert the heat energy into electric energy. Whereas in case of hydroelectric power, we are using the power of water to generate electricity. The kinetic energy of the water flow is converted to electrical energy by keeping turbines which are connected to the generators which will generate electricity. Then we also have energy produced by biomass and also tidal energy. When you keep biomass in a tank, because of anaerobic respiration inside it, there will be generation of gas like methane gas. So these are all your technologies. Then we also have tidal energy. You know the high tide region and low tide region, right? This is a continent. This is a continent, and from here, ocean is starting. So this is continental shelf region. So our oceans go through high and low tides. Means what? Because of the gravitational pull of the moon, the water will come up and it will also recede. Imagine this is the normal level. So during high tides, the water will rise up. During low tides, the water will go down, water level. So this utilizes electricity. How? I will show you. Imagine this is the normal level of water. So what I am doing, I am constructing some gate over here. The gate is constructed here. Here I have the gate. So during high tide, the water will rise up. Now this gate is closed. This gate is closed. After the water reaches this level, what I will do, I will open this gate. So water will rush onto this side. Water will rush onto this side. So here I will keep turbines which will rotate and which are connected to the generator. Turbines connected to generator, and generator will generate electricity. So during high tide, this is what I am doing. Now water is here. Now what I will do, I will close the gate now. So the water will again go back, and during low tide the water will be here. Now because I have closed the gate, this water is present here. Now after the water is reaching this level, I will open this gate, so the water will rush to this side. So again these turbines will rotate and they will generate electricity. So this is tidal energy. These are all your non-renewable resources or non-conventional energy resources. You will study these in detail in your science and technology. Then in case of conventional energy resources, one of the major conventional resource is coal. Coal is also called black gold. Around 45% of India's energy needs are completed or by the coal. So India is highly dependent upon coal for our energy needs. Coal is the backbone of industrial sector and primary resource of greenhouse emissions. Because of combustion of coal, we release carbon dioxide and other gases. So these gases are our greenhouse gases, which are responsible for global warming and climate change. So burning coal to a huge extent is very harmful for us. Greenhouse gases in a limit are necessary for human survival, but in excess they will have negative impacts. So we have four types of coals: anthracite coal, bituminous coal, lignite and peat. So anthracite is the highest quality coal. Bituminous is the most popular commercially. So in India also we have bituminous coal available. Anthracite coal is not present in India. Only few regions in Kashmir area we have this anthracite. Otherwise The major coal which we have is the bituminous coal. Then the low grade coal is called lignite. Peat is also a very low grade coal. How is coal distributed in India? We have Gondwana coal, which is found in the Gondwana rock system, found in the river valleys like Damodar Valley, Mahanadi Valley, and Godavari Valley. Damodar River, we have studied drainage, right? Where did we study Damodar River? Damodar River is the tributary of Hooghly River. Hooghly River is the distributary of Ganga River. Do you remember this? We have Ganga River which is flowing like this. At the end, it divides into two. Padma, which enters Bangladesh, and another is Hooghly, which passes through Kolkata region. So this Hooghly River has a tributary called Damodar. So this Damodar River is coming from Jharkhand and West Bengal region. Then Mahanadi is present near Odisha, Chhattisgarh region, and Godavari Valley in Telangana. We have Singarini collieries in Telangana. So here we find this Gondwana coal. Then we have tertiary coal in regions of Meghalaya, majorly northeastern states we have tertiary coal. In Meghalaya, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh and Nagaland regions. If you talk about petroleum is known as liquid gold. It is the nodal industry for synthetic fertilizers, synthetic textiles, fertilizers and chemicals, and it is used as the fuel for vehicles, etc. So we have onshore and offshore petroleum resources. Onshore resources like Digboy in Assam, Ankaleshwar in Gujarat, Barmer in Rajasthan. Offshore we have Mumbai High and Krishna Godavari Basin. Krishna KG Basin, near KG Basin also we extract petroleum. Then we have natural gas. Natural gas is comparatively a clean energy source. It is also found often alongside the petroleum. Wherever we have petroleum, we also find natural gas. So this is eco-friendly and versatile, used as CNG gas for in vehicles for transportation and for cooking, LPG gas for cooking. Major reserves similar to petroleum, we have Krishna Godavari KG Basin region and Mumbai High region. And onshore we have reserves in Assam and Tripura. In case of renewable energy, we have solar energy. So solar energy has immense potential because India has immense potential of solar energy because India is a tropical country. India is present between tropics and tropics receive energy surplus, right? So India has a immense potential in solar energy sector. It utilizes photovoltaic cells through which it converts the heat energy of insolation to electrical energy. So leading states in solar energy are Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh. Rajasthan, because Rajasthan has desert region. Deserts are wide open plains where we can install these solar panels. In India, we have Bhadla Solar Park in Rajasthan, Pavagada Solar Park in Karnataka, and many other solar projects. In case of wind energy, India is having a long coastline which provides excellent wind farm opportunities. Near coasts, we have onshore and offshore winds. Onshore and offshore winds. So these winds will help these windmills to rotate, because of which these turbines will rotate. These turbines will be connected to generators and generators will convert the energy to electrical energy. We have huge potential of wind energy in Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Rajasthan, and these states are significant top producers in the wind energy sector. Major projects like Muppundal Wind Farm in Tamil Nadu, Jaisalmer Wind Park in Rajasthan are known projects. We also have emerging technologies like hydro, where we want to utilize the power of rivers of Himalayas and Western Ghats. Then biomass energy, where we are using the agriculture residue and waste to generate electricity. Then geo and tidal, where we want to try to utilize the heat which is coming from the earth. For example, we have in geothermal energy, those regions like geysers, etc. we have, where we get hot water geysers. So such type of, from there if we try to extract electricity, it is called geothermal energy. We have pilot projects in Puga Valley in Ladakh and also in Gulf of Khambat region. If you look at the our energy and our installed capacity, so fossil fuels like coal, lignite, gas, diesel, all of them, they contribute around 242 gigawatts of energy. So 50% of our total installed capacity. Installed capacity and actual production are different. Installed capacity, I might have a company which will manufacture 1000 water bottles per day. But am I producing 1000 bottles on a daily basis? I might produce 100, I might produce 500. So it is the maximum installed capacity is 50% by fossil fuels, around 242 gigawatts. In this, 215 gigawatts is only because of coal, and the remaining is because of the others. And non-fossil renewable energy plus nuclear energy around 235 gigawatts, which is around 48 to 49%. From this, we have solar energy, which is around 116 gigawatt, which is 24%. Wind energy around 52 gigawatt, around 10%. Large hydro projects around 50 gigawatt, which is also around 10%. Biomass and small hydro projects, we are around 3 to 4%. In nuclear energy, we have around 1.8% or 9 gigawatts. But what is the actual energy usage in India? We are dependent upon coal and fossil fuels around 70 to 77% for electricity generation. Out of this, coal alone is 68 to 70%. Gas, lignite, diesel are around 1 to 3%. The remaining 1 to 7% are these. Then non-fossil fuels, we are having installed capacity of around 49%, but the actual generation is around 23 to 25% only. So large small hydro projects around 8 to 10%. Solar wind energy around 12 to 13%, and nuclear is around 2 to 3%. So this is the actual generational share. So these are your energy resources. So we have done with minerals and energy resources. If you have any questions, you can type in the comment box, and also go through the courses which we have discussed earlier, the UPSC batches and UPSC and Group 1 integrated batches and mentorship batches, and subscribe to Shikara IAS Academy so that you will be able to get the new latest notifications and you can have a holistic preparation for your examination.